Hello everyone, how are you guys? Fine, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about Windows 11 and its new features. First of all, we will install it in a VMware. I'm currently using VMware Workstation 16 Pro. You can install it in a VMware player also if you don't have the licensed version. This is just a simple example that how you can install it and what are the new features that we can see. Still, Windows 11 is in the beta. It has not released the final version. The final version will be released in October this year. So we will just see what are the new features. I have just downloaded the beta, like I have created the ISO file, and now I will just start creating a new virtual machine and boot that ISO file from that. First of all, click on create new virtual machines for those who are not familiar with virtual machines and how to create them. Then a pop-up will appear. In here we will choose custom or typical. Typical is recommended, but I like to do everything by myself, so I choose custom. Click next. Here you can specify the workstation that you want. Latest is 16.x. This E6i7 and 6.7 they are used for the servers. Workstations are used to install on the operating system. So we are using 16.x. Then click next. You can choose the image from later, or you can just specify the image from a CD-ROM if you have a DVD-ROM, or you can put the disk in here. So I will just browse for it. It is in my D drive, Windows 11 Pro 2020 22,000. This is the built version, 22,000. It is 64-bit in multilingual. Now I will click next, and in Microsoft I will just, because currently VMware does not have Windows 11 and also it is not released, so I'll just go with Windows 10 x64 because the architecture of the Windows 11 is also x64. Next, and here let's specify that we are going to install Windows 11 Pro edition. Now next, here specify the firmware type. So UEFI is good. Don't click secure boot because it's virtual machine, we don't need security right now. But if you're using the physical system, so secure boot is good because you should have TPM2 enabled. Click next. Number of processors and cores, we will go with one processor and 2 cores for time being because this is just experience. We are not it is not like production environment, or we are not installing on the physical device or doing anything heavy. And RAM, we will go with 8 gig for now because for performance it is good. Now I will RAM, it's 8 gig. Now click next. NAT is okay, NAT will be good. Then we can go with the IO controls is LSI logic SAS, that is also good, recommended. NVMe is also good because it's faster, and currently I have my hard disk is also NVMe SSD. Then yes, create a new virtual disk for this operation. Then we will specify this disk space, which is 60 gig is enough for now. For good performance, we will just use the store virtual disk as a single file, which is good for high performance, and also it is not good. It's the like if you use splitting the disk, it makes the disk move to another computer, but reduces the performance. So we want the performance for now. We don't want to just copy or paste the disk somewhere else. So we will go with option 1 and then click next. Yep, this is the VMDK that we want. Next. Now everything is set up, and if you want you can delete the printer, but it's okay, no problem. Click finish. Okay, so now these are the options that we have set up. The images already in the DVD-ROM. For now, just we will click on power on this virtual machine from here, or you can click the button play, which will start the virtual machine. And I should click in the virtual machine because it will pop up the CD and DVD, boot from CD and DVD. Okay, I think I just missed it. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, still nothing is happening. Okay, let me this control bit. Yeah, now it's coming. Just click this any button and it will start loading the windows for the first time. It will take some time because this is virtual machine and not physical drive. So loading, still loading, still the logo is different, I think, yeah, from the Windows 10. Okay, this is the initial screen that where we should want to select our language, and yeah, we want to select English. Now here, this is just same like Windows 10 installation. Specify the language to install, time and currency formatting, keyboard. Default is okay, click next. Okay, yeah, same like Windows 10 installation for now. Just click install. Setup is starting. Okay, it will take some time to load. Waiting for that, waiting. Okay, since this is a virtual machine, it takes some time. But I guess in physical computer it won't take that much time. Okay. Applicable notice in license terms, it is still not fully licensed, you know, it is for the beta version, just for getting feedback from the users. Click next, and here we will click on custom. We will click create a new drive partition, and we will apply all of that. Click OK. Yup, you can format it here, or you can click next, no problem. I just like to format it first and then click next. Now it will copy the files and just do the whatever Windows is doing in the background, copying all the decompressing the image file to the drive, and then it will just complete the installation. Okay, I will come back when this is done. Okay guys, I thought that this is still installing. We just discuss about what are the system requirements for the Windows 11. If you go to this website in microsoft.com/en-x/us/windows and Windows 11 specifications, in here you can find the Windows 11 specifications, features, and computer requirements are as below. System requirements are: processor should be 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores. So a single core cannot run Windows 11. other settings as well. Let's see. Okay, how would you like to set up this device? So for me, it's set up as for personal use, because it's just beta version testing. Okay, let's add your Microsoft account. I don't want to add my Microsoft account here, so no account, create one, no. Sign in with security, no. Let's click on sign in options. Sign in with a security key, no, I don't want that. Yeah, offline account. I want to go with offline account. So they have provided that at first, like Windows 10, you should add your Microsoft account. Since this is just for education purpose and testing, no need for that. Okay, this is with what is a Microsoft account, and they are giving me the details, what are the benefits for that. Just we will skip it for now. Okay, is this account for a child or teenager? No. Okay, don't sign in with a Microsoft account. So this is for the adults. Now we're going to use this device. Okay, here we should give our username. Again, I will go with test. No need for that. Choose a different username. It can't be the same as the PC name. Okay, I will give my name, NIM. Next. If I give password here, it requires security code, so I don't want to give password now, so I will just click next. Going, loading. Okay, choose privacy settings for your device. Location, okay, no problem. Find my device, yes, no problem. Diagnostic data, okay, no problem. So we will go with defaults, and as you can see, this look has changed, and I kind of like it, because previously in the Windows 10 installation it was a bit dark here, but now it's good, and also it's so much attractive. Okay, let's see what's the next option. Come on, Microsoft. No, again checking for updates. I think it will take some time coming back. Yep, that's finished, and now we are in the high screen, welcoming us, getting things ready for you. Good, waiting for that. This might take a few minutes, and also there is a good background. Yeah, looking good. Something, I think it's like some 3 lights are going back there and coming up. It's kind of cool. Yeah, good animation. Nice, very nice. Not boring, I think. I don't know. What do you think, guys? But I think it's good. I can just stare at it for a bit. Please keep your PC on and plugged in. Just doing that. Okay, waiting. The background is cool, I think. Yeah, since this is virtual machine, it's taking longer. But I guess if it was the physical system, it would be faster. waiting. Since this is a virtual machine and I have not installed the VMware tools, so the screen size is smaller than by default when it's coming. So good things coming at yours. Okay, almost there. Voila. So as they have advertised, this is the new start menu. Yep, these are the apps, and it is the taskbar, and then start menu is at the center now. Okay guys, so we have learned how to install Windows 11 beta, and in the next video we will go through that what are the new features in Windows 11. Have a good time. See you guys.